Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry from zero. Begin by understanding the foundational principles of chemical bonding and molecular structure. Focus on mastering basic concepts like hybridization and resonance. Learn to accurately name organic compounds using EUPAC rules. This strong start will build a solid framework for more complex topics, making your learning journey much smoother and more effective. Next, dive into the core reactions. Don't just memorize, strive to understand the why behind each transformation. Group reactions by functional group or mechanism type to see connections. Pay close attention to electron movement in mechanisms, as this is key to predicting outcomes. Understanding these patterns will significantly improve your ability to tackle new problems. Consistent practice is crucial for success in organic chemistry. Work through a wide variety of problems every day, from simple naming to complex synthesis. When you make mistakes, analyze them to understand where your knowledge is weak. Flashcards can be incredibly helpful for memorizing reagents and reaction conditions. Don't hesitate to discuss challenging concepts with classmates or instructors. To solidify your understanding, create a comprehensive reaction roadmap that connects different reactions and functional groups. Practice predicting the products of reactions you haven't seen before by applying your mechanistic knowledge. Regular review of all material, not just the most recent, is essential for long-term retention. Always seek clarification from your instructor on any topics that remain unclear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.